like the main point of that, and then we just take note when we see it again, we can remember it, and then we can like practice it at yes, teacher.
I see. That's a good advice. Yes, thank you, WeChat. So taking note is the most important. It's not only apply for reading, it's applied for everything. It's applied for reviewing for exams, the summary of the lessons. Yeah, you have to take note. Every word that the teacher said, sometimes when I go to class, I always take note of the teacher word because it is really important. It's never exists in the book. It only exists when the teacher talk about that. So sometimes I take note as well. And WeChat tip is really effective because it is your own note. So you will remember faster than the teacher's note. So that's why taking note is important. Okay. So any more tips? How about you, Nita? Do you have any tips that you want to share in Telegram group? Oh, read quickly for main ideas. Yep. Yeah, reading quickly for the main ideas also important because at the end of the day, what are you talking about? What are you reading about? When you read the whole paragraph, you don't even know what it's about. So that's why maybe read about main idea. For examples, you read the whole paragraph, oh, about water, about okay, some sort of garbage. Okay, so you can guess, oh, the main idea is maybe water pollution. Okay, that's the main idea. Any more tips? No? Okay, so now let's take a look for some tips. As I told you earlier, oh, question first. Yeah. Lisa also talking about read question first. Yep, that also one of the tip as well. So for me, I prefer sometimes I prefer reading the paragraph first, and sometimes I prefer reading the question first. So it depends on your style. So when I do the exam, whether in IELTS exam or Bac2 exam, when I have more time, which when I have a lot of time, I will try to read the paragraph first and scan for main idea. But when I have limit time, only 5 minutes left. I don't know what to do. So I read the question first and scan immediately for the answer. So it depends on timing of the exam. So I have some tip for exam reading, not a regular reading or read books, but for exam reading. When you have limit time, you don't have any more time. So read the question first, just like Lisa said. You read the questions, what is it about? And then you understand the questions, highlight the keyword, it is, and then you jump to find the answer. Okay. So the second one, you underline keywords on that question. What is it about? Why, when, or whoever is it? And then it will be easier to find answer in the paragraph. And the next one, skimming. You know skimming for the main idea first. What is skimming? So anyone know skimming? We chat. Do you know skimming?
Teacher, I ever had before.
Okay, okay. So let me tell you here, skimming. Okay, skimming. Skimming also important as well. But the exam is very easy. Everyone don't have to worry about but the English exam because it's just feeling the words. I wish that but the exam will put more difficult exercises. So skimming was scanning. Actually, when you study reading, especially reading exam books or anything related to reading, the first thing that you do, skimming and scanning. So what do you mean by skimming? So skimming, okay, I said skim, but it's German. So skimming and scanning, I put it the same form. So skimming is when you read the paragraph really fast and you skim for the main idea. For example, oh, you read there is one important blah 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 until about the subject, and then you understand. Oh, this paragraph is about yeah that main idea, right? ចឹង skimming ហ្នឹងគឺយើងអានលឿនគឺយើងអានលឿនខ្លាំងមែនតើដើម្បីរកអាចចំណុចកណ្ដាលមួយណាចំណុចវិភាគកណ្ដាលមួយដែលគេហៅ main idea អូខេដូចថារកប្រធានបទអីចឹងណា but scanning when you read the question and then you try to find answer អូនៅឆ្នាំ1999ចឹងយើង scan មើល paragraph so if you take a look into the paragraph so you will see អូអានេះនៅបន្ទាប់ទី19ហ្នឹងមានឆ្នាំ1900ហ្នឹងចឹងយើងមើលតាមហ្នឹងបានហើយ so អាហ្នឹង scanning ដូចម៉ាស៊ីនព្រីនចឹងឯងយើង scan រកអក្សរអញ្ចឹង so it's scan so it's different right so it's the most effective it apply to any exam especially scholarship exam but up here you come here to study about book, but I tell you a lot about scholarship exams and also grammar, a lot of vocabulary that appear in Bac2 exam. And I really hope everyone will have a scholarships after finish this class. You will have scholarship exams. You will see. Oh, actually, I learned something. You and then you will expect to get a scholarships. Anyway, that's it for the skimming and scanning. Okay. So now I already told you that last Monday we going to do Bac2, yeah, Bac2 reading. So if you take a look at that, read instruction first, okay? The first thing that you do, read instructions. Read the text, okay? KIN at the bottom. Fill the gaps with words in the box. Grab one was done as an example for you. Okay. So Rachane, so can what is the first thing that you do when you read that reading? Can I ask about your experience? Do you have any experience related to that reading? Okay. How about you, WeChat? What is the first thing that you do in that reading?
Teacher, the first thing that comes to my mind when I do reading is like the part of speech.
Part of speech. Can you care to explain what is part of speech? Why it is really important for the reading?
Yes, teacher, can I explain in Khmer because
Yeah, you
I
can.
think I am so ដោយសារតែនៅពេលដែលយើងដឹងថានឹងសាកពីជាអីយើងអាចដាក់វាលឿនណាស់ច្រើនតែគណៈថានៅពេលដែលយើងអានអត់យល់ណា
Yep. Yes, you are right. Correct. Thank you, WeChat, for the most important part of the reading. This one got feeling. So in gut feeling here in Bạn Đúc is really easy. វាហាច្រើននិយាយឲ្យខ្លីហ្មងបាក់ឌុប exam គឺស្រួលហ្មងអា part of speak ហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែនៅ IFL á, នៅពេលប្រឡង scholarship អីចឹងណាអា part of speak ហ្នឹងគឺគេអត់ទេគេលែងយកឯងវាថាពាក្យហ្នឹងគឺ part of speak ដូចគ្នាហើយពាក្យពិបាកៗ so you cannot guess it but in បាក់ឌុប you can guess it easily based on the part of speak what is part of speak so part of speak can be noun can be verb adjective or any others part of speak, okay? So yung mean noun, mean verb, mean adjective, adverb ấy nữa. So you identify it first. But if you already know that word vì hay dương check lang hay dương ở trong chân lại pay value đồ mean đồng lại you don't have to spend very slow time to identify that go ahead to complete the reading and then focus on writing instead, okay? So the first part of speaks a timetable. And help. Okay, so timetable. What is the part of speak? So, Parinya, so what? Can I ask you this question? What is the type of speak? This word timetable part of speak.
Maybe noun teacher.
Oh, what is it? What does it mean?
It equal to schedule teacher.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Panya, how about help?
Have verb teacher.
Verb. Could it be noun?
Yes.
Could it be noun
Noun.
as well?
Um, no teacher.
Why not?
I just guess. I just guess.
Okay, so in English, yeah, thank you, Panya. You are correct about help verb. But in English, there's so many verb that has a synonym. Some verb, oh, it could be a noun. Some verb, it could be verb. So you have to identify a lot. Like the word friendly, ly, right? Ly, at the end of the word, but it actually not adverb. You know that adverb start with at the end of the word is ly, right? Friendly is not. So you have to remember, oh, it adjective. So information. So informations we already learned. It is that uncount noun. So which mean it cannot has s. Even if plural, it cannot has s. It because it uncount noun. Okay, it's uncount noun. Thought. Thought. Okay. What is thought? Thought is the verb two of the word teach. So you should know. Oh, anh nóng verb TP á, chứ không biết thời grammar ấy đạo verb thù. Grammar đạo verb thù nóវាមាន past simple. Okay,វាមាន past simple ហើយវាមាន passive ទៀត passive. We're gonna learn later. We mean thoughts. Okay, thoughts is a verb two of that. So we're gonna put it verb two. Afterwards. So you know afterwards, right? So afterwards, mình haveបន្តទៀត. So it's mean it's adverb. Oh, it's a big one. Okay. So the next one is memorize. So memorize you can spell it with NZ as well, or you can say Z. Okay, memorize with Z or S. It depends on what you like. It's the same. It's American and also UK. The big color. You spell COLOR, right? But in UK they spell COLOUR. So which mean the other word don't have you, but this one have you. But both words are correct. Okay, it depends on what you want to write. And then hard. Okay, memorize. Memorize is a verb. Okay, Nita. So, what is the noun of the word memorize? Do you know that, Nita?
I don't know, teacher.
Oh, okay. So memorize. Mine chong cham, mine chong cham. So the noun of the verb memorize is memory. Is it correct? Memory. Cái trong trang vào giờ này.
Oh,
Yes. Thank you,
teacher,
Nita.
I don't know timetable meaning.
Oh, timetable. It's we already learned in present simple. It's mean similar to the word schedule. Viết tam máu á. Ủa, dồi, timetable in present simple we have the train leave at 10 p.m. ឃើញអត់វាមានណារថភ្លើងហ្នឹងគឺចាកចេញនៅម៉ោង10 PM អញ្ចឹងវាតាមម៉ោងឯងឃើញអត់អញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងវា timetable វា schedule កាលវិភាគពីម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានទៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានធ្វើអី Okay, you do you get it?
Yes, I see, teacher.
Okay, Nita. So, without further ado, so can you tell me the part of speak of the word hard and waste?
Uh, Thoughts, noun, best verb.
How do you know waste is a verb?
Oh, noun was Shakespeare manager.
Mm, oh, is it a verb or a noun?
Noun teacher.
Noun. Okay. Okay. Why is it a noun?
Because don't have active.
Oh, okay. Okay. Almost correct, Nita. Thank you for your opinion. So ways here, if it is verb, meaning cat a mùi. Although you want to talk about time, oh, I waste a lot of time, cat baby. If you want to talking about money, oh, I waste a lot of money, cat lôi, okay. But if it is noun, cứ sòng ràm, cứ sòng ràm, meaning sòng ràm, like garbage waste, oh, sòng ràm nhưng không phải water pollution waste, sòng ràm pol bạ tham, wash out, time, pol tận đó. So which mean that when anh không biết đôi memorize gì, memorize mean trong chàm, when it come to noun mean ca trong chàm, the way ways is different, right? So remember that trong baby chừng noun đi ra with tới chỉ sầm ram là bỏ lại cái chào ấy. So I look, you already know that word is verb and it could be noun as well, okay? It could be noun. Bữa sinh bữa lúc cứ mớ bữa noun cứ rút sum rõ dương. Yeah. And subject một here, you already know that. And also understanding is a gerund. Gerund cứ mình ca vô cực. So yep, now you already know. You already know it's could be noun, yeah, because it's gerund. Gerund is a noun. So sometime it could put gerund it could put in present continuous, something that continuous, right? So it's could add gerund. So try to understand the grammar first. So right now fill the gaps. 1 to 11. So have you done that? Palanya, I think you have done that. No?
Yeah, teacher. Of course, but maybe tomorrow, teacher.
Oh, no way. We have to finish it before the class start. I think you already done that, maybe. How about you, Wichada? Have you finished the reading?
Yeah.
What? Not yet?
Yes.
Oh, not yet. How about you, Rachane? Have you finished the reading?
Not yet, child.
Oh, yes. Yeah, that exactly the answer I want because I haven't let you do the reading yet, right? Yeah. So I just want to test, maybe, oh, you are a smart student, you always go ahead before me. But anyway, so let's do it. Let's do it for 5 seconds. Can you do it in 5 minutes? Let's do. No, Richard, why are you crying? Don't cry. Just be enjoyable. Yeah. So let's do it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay? So first identify the grammar. I already put paraspeak here. So the next step, identify the grammar. Chùm, anh ấy grammar cái present continuous man. Continuous thật ra chưa rành. Chứng dân hồ là chưa rành mà, okay? But it's just an example. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, let's go. I know you can do it. Or maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, one more thing. One more thing. If you finish it, can you maybe put emoji in our Telegram group or in message so that I can see, oh, you have finished it. So we can move on. So we still have 5 minutes more. So let's go together. I believe you have finished the number one, two, three, four, five. Maybe the beginning one. So if you take a look, there is usually one important, they already put it, subject. Important subject missing from most school. Okay, so most school here. What is it? So it seemed like it is a noun. Most school what? So school, we know that it is a noun, right? But in this case, it can be act as a adjective. We identify our noun with. So what is it? So can I have with chat? So what is your answer for number two?
Yes, teacher. I don't think it is adjective or noun, but I think it is verb. I think it is have
Ooh, why do you think it help?
because it connects to like verb to student and touch. Yes, teacher.
Thank you, WeChat. But they said that oh, បើយើងបកប្រែប្រយោគហ្នឹងទៅខ្មែរវាមានsubject មួយដែលបាត់ចេញពីការជំនួយសាលា Are you sure subject បាត់ចេញពីការជំនួយសាលា So នៅពេលដែលយើងចូលរៀនគ្រូមិនប្រាប់ថាអូកាលវិភាគនេះរៀនអីកាលវិភាគនេះរៀនអី right? So no, that's not correct. How is not correct? Correct answer is timetable.
Timetable.
Yes, yes, timetable. អញ្ចឹង subject មួយហ្នឹងអាមុខភាពមួយហ្នឹងវាបាត់ចេញពីការវិភាគសាលា Yep. Then the next sentence, very few students or how to organize their learning. Ai kể thử. Nita, can you
Understanding.
why do you choose
Understanding.
understanding, Nita?
Because Ờ, Mecha viết bao cụ thể chẳng.
Can be understanding, yeah. Let me put just K first. Can be understanding. ប៉ុន្តែថៃបិណ្ឌវាមិន understanding បើយើងផុត understanding ហ្នឹងមានន័យថាវាជា present continuous ហើយអញ្ចឹង continuous something that they do it now, right? អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងវាអត់មានពាក្យ now អត់មានពាក្យអីទេ so it could be ប៉ុន្តែ it's not the best answer, okay? So the correct one is yeah, WeChat. Thank you. Thought, okay, thought. អញ្ចឹងថៃបើយើងប្រើ thought ដោយសារតែវាជា passive. thought ហ្នឹងមានន័យថាសិស្សហ្នឹងគឺត្រូវបានរៀនមានថាគ្រូបង្រៀនឲ្យសិស្សហ្នឹងអីគេចេះរៀបចំការរៀនខ្លួនឯងចេះធ្វើម៉េចធ្វើពេលវេលាឲ្យបានច្បាស់លាស់ប្រើប្រាស់ពេលវេលាហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹង that's why it passive thought. Passive we will learn later if you don't know about the passive. ប៉ុន្តែ passive ហ្នឹងវាមាន verb 3 វាមានverb to be ហើយតមក plus verb 3 អញ្ចឹងវាជាវត្ថុកម្មវត្ថុហ្នឹងគឺវារងអំពើអញ្ចឹងវារងអំពើ so almost Nita almost. So the next one I let Nita answer. Let's take some simple examples. Okay, អានេះគេឲ្យជាឧទាហរណ៍ do you know how to so Nita, what is your answer? We chat eyes, okay. Nita, Okay, I know it is hard. This one's hard. I let Parinya answer. Parinya, can you answer number 4?
Look teacher.
Oh, look up. Oh, look up. How about you, Nita? Look up the same.
Understanding a verb and a dictionary.
Understanding up. No, 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 no. That's not correct answer. Okay, try again. Maybe try again. Jung, how to look up? Do you know how to look up words in a dictionary? So the word here, thay mình look up tới nghĩa dương mơ thu nè, with her kind verb. With her kind verb. Chân bị dân đã understanding máu, which is rằng chân ở thời tế. And also look up here, it means search. Bị năng cái hàng cái phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? Chân verb nó là chạy đang trên bị khăn ngheด้วยà. You get up. Get up ถือ get up មានថាងើបពីដេកប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលដូរទៅជា get through get through ហ្នឹងដូចថាយើងឆ្លោះលបងអីចឹងណាចឹងអាហ្នឹង get through how about get in គឺដើរចូលបន្ទប់វិញចឹងគ្រាន់ដូរអាក្រោយនៅវាមាន up មាន in អីហ្នឹងគឺថាវាដូរ meaning ហើយអញ្ចឹងសួរថាធ្វើម៉េចមិនចេះទៅ you have to practice every day communicate or make sentence and do it in your writing until you remember it. You have to remember it. So look up here it means search ស្វែងរកពាក្យនៅក្នុង dictionary វចនានុក្រមហ្នឹង and do you understand all the dictionary's contents all the word so here that we need noun again so if you take a look at noun អីគេ or អីគេតើអ្នកឯងយល់អត់យល់អីគេយល់អីគេអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង dictionary ហ្នឹងមានអីគេមិនឲ្យយល់នឹងមានអីគេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើល noun មើលមានសម្រស់ពេលយើងដាក់ទៅដូចសម្រស់មានសម្រាមមានបេះដូងអូ so okay so the best answer
Information.
yes
Information.
information yep you are correct ចឹងតើអ្នកឯងយល់ព័ត៌មានដែលមាននៅក្នុង dictionary ហ្នឹងអត់ថៃដូចជាបានប្រាប់ចឹងឃើញ all ដល់អីប៉ុន្តែត្រូវចាំថាអាហ្នឹងវាជា trick មួយដែរត្រូវចាំថាពេល uncountable noun វាអត់មាន s ទេទោះបីជាវា plural ឬមិន plural singular អីក៏ដោយដោយសារតែវា uncountable noun ដូច milk ដូច bread នំប៉័ង water yes no s information the same no s so next one can you make notes quickly and can you understand them oh okay we chat what is your answer for number 6
Afterward Gen.
oh okay this one yep you are correct afterward ចឹងគេសំណួរសួរថាថៃមិន afterward ដោយសារយើងត្រូវការ adverb ហ្នឹងហើយ adverb វា modify ឲ្យអីវា modify ឲ្យ verb វា modify ឲ្យ verb ឬក៏ adverb themselves or adjective ចឹងតើអ្នកឯងតើអាចយល់ពីអាព័ត៌មានហ្នឹងបន្ទាប់ពីអា search ហើយហ្នឹងនៅមានថាកត់ត្រាហើយឯងតើអាចយល់អាព័ត៌មានហ្នឹងបន្ទាប់ពីកត់ហ្នឹងអត់ yeah so afterward មានបន្ទាប់មានធ្វើសកម្មភាពអីហើយមិនធ្វើអីតទៀត so for some reasons many schools okay school here supposed to have s give learners know okay with this matters know អីគេទៅចឹងso we need noun this one need noun so Lisa what do you think of number 7
Number 7, wet teacher.
oh
Number 7, B teacher.
B oh
Have.
speech yeah okay thank you so yeah that's correct answer okay oh it seems we chat a common heart maybe you want to put heart here okay it could be correct as well but let's see the rest of the reading teacher as student to oh ឃើញអត់គ្រូសួរសិស្សអីគេជាងឃើញមកធូហ្នឹងហើយ ធូហ្នឹងអីគេភាគច្រើនធូហ្នឹងគឺថាគឺជា verb So right now, what do you have? What do we have? We have ways, memorize. Oh, which had put you give me a hint. You give you give me a hint instead of answer. Okay. So okay, I let Rachane answer number 8. So Rachane, what is your answer for number 8?
I guess memorize.
Oh, okay, your guessing is correct. Memorize. So tác thủ cứ cột ai chọn trang mày. Okay, you can write it with that as well. I write it with that. Okay. To memorize page ឲ្យចាំអាទំព័រ page សភៅហ្នឹងហើយប្រាប់ឲ្យទៅសេ10ទំព័រទៀតហើយអត់មានបញ្យលឲ្យធ្វើអាហ្នឹងទេអញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងមានតែអញ្ចឹងមានសាលាអត់មានជួយអ៊ីសិស្សហ្មងណា គ្រូគាត់ឲ្យចាំអា page សៀវភៅហ្នឹងឲ្យកត់សៀវភៅហើយអត់បញ្យល់ទៀត learning by can be useful but it is important to have a genuine អញ្ចឹង learning by អីគេទៅ so we chat oh okay learning by understanding can be useful okay you said understanding how
Sure.
about you Parinya? Number 9 what do you think
Number 9. Her teacher.
Oh, hard. Can I put understanding in this as well?
No teacher, I think put the word hurt is the best meaning.
Yeah, yes. Thank you, Parinya. You are correct. Yep. So if you put learning by understanding can be useful, it also seem correct, right? It seem correct, but ask yourself, what is the best answer? Mình ham vui nè, để chia the best answer, okay? ចឹងរៀនដោយយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ដោយបេះដូងរបស់យើងអីចឹងយកមានចិត្តចង់រៀនណាវាមានប្រយោជន៍ប៉ុន្តែវាសំខាន់អីដែលសំខាន់ជាងនឹងទៀតគឺការយល់អូខេអូខេ I just give you it គឺការយល់នៃអាមុខវិជ្ជាហ្នឹង and the last one you want to do it as a homework okay so the last one number 11 so waste yeah you can waste a lot of time memorizing book without understanding any subject. Okay, so now it's 11:30, but okay, everyone come late today. So before we ending our class, so let me ask you WeChat. Yeah, I know. One question to WeChat. So what is the main idea of this reading?
Can I get the question again, teacher?
What is the main idea? The main idea of this paragraph or reading?
I think the main idea of this paragraph is like give us learn by heart and understand, not just about memorize. Like when we try to memorize it, sometimes we will forget it someday. I think the main idea of this text is learn by understanding.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Thank you, WeChat. How about you, Parinya? So you the last person and then we end class.
Can you ask the question again,
The
teacher?
same question. What is the main idea of this reading?
The main idea um, of this paragraph is is correct, teacher.
Uh, what did you
Oh,
say?
sentence. The main ideas of this paragraph is like to manage timetable. Uh, yes,
Hmm,
just timetable, teacher. Important of
okay.
timetable.
Okay, thank you, Parinya. Almost correct, but it's not really actually a main idea. They said that game mentioned Dhamma party. So Richard, your answer is more accuracy. Rồi ha, game mention school, game mention ការវិភាគ game mention តកតងរបៀបរៀនអីចឹងណា yeah. So the main idea of it is learning. And I give you a hint. Yeah. Or I already put the main idea in it. If you see it, teacher, what I ask you, what is the main idea, teacher? It's learning how to learn, yeah. So, yeah, I hope everyone understand it. ចឹងដោយសារតែ timetable ហ្នឹងជាផ្នែកមួយទេគេ mention តែមួយពាក្យទេចឹងវាអាចជា main idea ទេ So, thank you everyone for joining this class, and I hope you really learn something from that class, especially reading. So now you can do the grammar and vocabulary as a homework, and see you on Friday, okay? So goodbye everyone.